Hi, to add Apps menu button on home screen on your Samsung Galaxy S25, you need to simply open Settings. Here, find this Home Screen tab, and then scroll down to find this tab Show Apps Screen button on home screen. If you cannot see it, then you need to check this tab Home Screen Layout and make sure you enabled Home and Apps screens. So you enabled App Drawer basically. Now let's go back and enable this button by tapping on the switcher. And when you go back to your home screen, you would see this button with many dots on which you can tap to open a list of your apps. So you can either swipe up to enable your app drawer, or you can tap this button now to view all of your apps. If you go back in this home screen setting, you can disable it, of course, by tapping on the switcher, and now we got no such button on the bottom of the screen. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.